When we're rolling, this is boxing drill VR, and it's actually quite interesting. So here we've got the setting if you want mixed reality, middleweight, music on or off. Let's put it on, eh? You can do a workout, fight. You need to have some drill first to build your stats. So you can do punch combo, which is 1-2, 1-2-3, defense and footwork. So we are going to do the 1-2. No gloves, just bare minimal. And if you hit too low, it's too weak. Okay. So we continue for 40 seconds. I'm not facing it. That's better. So yeah, too weak. Wrong punch, what do you mean? Okay. 42. Yes, my score. Try again, back to menu. I've done power. Power is quite interesting. And now we can do the jab, cross, uppercut, cross. It's quite good, eh? So jab, cross, hook. Let's have a look. Jab, cross, hook. Oh, that's a good... Yeah, that's good. Let's go back to the menu. Fight. Oh, I can fight. Oh. It just unfolds without you doing anything. Defeat. Because he's stronger than me. We can do a workout. Okay, start the workout. Hook. It doesn't change. Maybe every minute. That should be a different exercise. Okay. Well, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's try the hook cross on the train. Oh, defense. Oh yeah, duck, the 1-2 duck. That's quite interesting, this one. So 1-2 duck. I'm going. I don't think it noticed. No, even if you don't dodge. Okay, well, that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed it. See ya.